Good morning. I am Dharmendra Kumar of Chandigarh University made this machine learning project based on rainfall prediction using Python. First of all, I get historical data of rainfall from web in the form of .csv file. Here, this is the CSV file of historical data of rainfall. Here, the attributes are subdivision, year, months from January to December and January to February and etc. Here I am going to take months as a X attribute and predict the annual rainfall column as a Y attribute. Now I am importing some necessary module such as pandas, which is very used for data frame, then numpy, maths, sklearn for machine learning, then importing matplotlib for plotting. Now I am using some pre-processing data such as removing null values or filling them with mean values. Here I give the code pd.read csv for read this CSV file from this internal location. Here data.head for showing top 5 rows, data.isNull.sum for calculating the sum of null values. Here data.fillNA is used to filling the mean values in place of null values, and np.meanValues for finding the mean values, and last data.isNull.sum is used to find the sum of isNull. Data.shape code is used to checking the shape of data. Here when we run this code, we get data heads, which is 5 rows. Then it shows shape of the data. Now checking the data types of attributes, we type the code data.info. Then grouping them according to their subdivision value using group by function. Then find the covariance and correlations of columns using this code data.covariance for covariance and data.correlation. Then I run this code, we get correlation. For sorting the data in ascending order, we type this command. Then for visualizing the data using various plotting, first we plotting the data in the form of scatter. This is in the form of box. This histogram showing the data from attributes from January to December of year 1901 to 2015. This histogram showing the annual rainfall of all states. This is a violin plot graph. Now I trained the model using train test split and test it using various performance measures like mean square root, mean square error, root mean square error, and also plot the scatter plot of expected versus predicted values. Here in my variable give the data of annual and in next variable the data of months, then print it. Then here I can find the mean square error values. By typing this code I find the mean square error values. For plotting the scatter chart I use this code plt.scatter. Here I give train x in x label and give train y in y label, and then plt.show command is used to print the graph or plot. Here mean absolute error and RMS error are relatively less values, and scatter plot is pretty concentrated as a straight line. And last I find the high and low rainfall level using command. I giving the loop for expected values. If I is greater than 2000 then expected value is high, else it returns low. And this loop is for predicted values. If I is greater than 2000 then it shows high, and else it will print low. Then I run this code. It shows the accuracy of this value and shows high and low of the values of rainfall. Thank you.